It is possible to recreate a copy of all your perceptions, thoughts, and beliefs today. Reality is but a line of code. We are at the end of the road for conventional computer technology. Our current technology can no longer meet our desires. The great hardware war has already commenced. The ultimate question is whether humans will be in control of this immense power they have created, or will they be its followers? Welcome to Aevum Logic. Today, we speak not only about how much technology advances, but also about what it changes in us. And here come three sections that represent three major challenges facing humanity. The eye in the second part of the movie is actually the symbol of the rise of artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence programs, which used to count pixels a few years back, can now create whole new worlds within seconds. This is not just about developing software. This is about automating the notion of production. Whether it be art, movies, software, or even decision-making mechanisms, the technology, which is growing exponentially at a very fast pace, imitates the creativity which is exclusive to the human mind. So what about those who fail to adapt to this pace? Behind the intelligence of artificial intelligence algorithms is something called brute force. This was clearly indicated by the chips used for heating in the second part. Big technology companies are trying to develop hardware capable of handling billions of parameters. Yet in chips reduced to atomic scale, we face a physical phenomenon known as quantum tunneling. The answer: new architectural designs and quantum computers. Over the next 5 years, the progress made in our ability to process data will make all previous technologies a trailer. And this leads us to the point of no return in Section 3. And when the endless possibilities of software meet the capabilities of quantum hardware, then we will witness the transition point we call technological singularity, where artificial intelligence will grow by itself and hardware will manufacture itself. This is not a dark age, but a tough world for those unprepared. The ones who will make it through. The future won't be the toughest. They'll just be the ones who can keep up with the pace of technology. It's not the case that technology is the tool anymore. Technology became our OS. But those who fail to understand the release notes of this OS are doomed to fall behind the system. What is your place in this revolution? Are you on the creative or only consuming side? Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments section below. Don't miss out on Aevum Logic subscription, so we could decode the world of technology and science together. See you in the future.